I don't even know where to start from. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be doing something different. I'll be doing an unboxing of this ring light right here. This is a newer ring light. Most times I do more of skincare videos, so I've never seen the use of getting a ring light or any form of extra lightning, because I just use the normal daylight. But of recent, my daytime has become very busy, and most times I have to do my filming in the evenings, or when it's getting dark. So it's become a problem, and that's why I decided to invest in a ring light. This particular ring light is from Amazon. I'm going to put the link in the description bar below. I bought this ring light for £71.99. Okay, so we'll go on to the unboxing now. I'll show you all the things it comes with, and I'll see if we can go ahead and do the setting up of the ring light. So before we get down to the unboxing, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please remember to subscribe to the channel, like the video, remember to drop your comments down below, and we'll be here to discuss it. Okay, I saw some reviews on Amazon whereby people were complaining about this ring light. Some people loved it, so it was a two-way thing. Some people loved it and some people were complaining about it. So I have it here. I'm going to unbox it right now, so come along with me and let's see what we have. Alright, so this is the newer ring light. They say it's lightweight. For me, it's not lightweight anyway. So we're going to be taking it out of the pack, which I'm yet to do. So this is like a first impression video, unboxing video. Okay, so let's get into it. What this is. I think it's the stand, because it's supposed to come with a stand. Okay, let's have a look at this. Oops. Okay. Alright, so this is the stand. This is the stand for the ring light. From what I've seen, you turn it this way and yeah, you just pull. It takes a bit of effort to turn it around. People turn it around like it's so simple. Maybe I'm supposed to actually unscrew something. I don't know, but let's see. Okay, let's see if this would help. I'm unscrewing a knob there. Oh yes, to loosen it up, there's a knob here. It's less stiff for you to pull down, and then I think you can screw it back, tighten it up. Now, all right, so you have different levels, I think, to be able to get the stand a bit taller. So you need to, I guess, it's unscrewing again. You need to unscrew and pull. Yeah, we got it now. You unscrew and you pull just to make it taller. You can do that for the second and for the third, but I'll just leave it on the first. So when you unscrew, you pull, and then you tighten it up back. Yeah, you tighten it up back, and it's stiff enough. So I'm gonna place it now here on the floor, and let's get to the remaining things in the box. So My oh my, this thing is not light. This advertised it as lightweight. It's not lightweight to me. Alright, so I'll take this out of the way. And then this is what we have. So this is, move this out of the way so we can see this. Alright, so it comes in this bag. The famous NEEWER ring light. This is the 18-inch ring light. So I'm going to take this out of the bag and the so-called ring light. Let's have a look and see if the two filters are in there anyway. It comes, this part is actually exposed where you have the bulb lights around the ring. So let me get out the filter and we'll see. I'll just place this at the side. Okay, maybe that's why it's... Anyway, it's good packaging for it to be safe. Okay, so this is where you have almost everything that we're going to need. Okay, this is just a packing list, shows you all the things you're supposed to have in the box. Okay, so we're supposed to have a ring light, a tripod. Here we have the tubes. Okay, so I always thought this comes on the ring light when you get it, but apparently it just comes in the packages like this. So this is the orange one, the orange filter, and this is the white filter. So we'll put them on and we'll see. So it says in the list I'm supposed to have a dimmable ring light, a smartphone holder, Bluetooth receiver, check, power adapter, soft tube, ball head, the light stand, white and orange filter set, and the carrying bag. I think we're good to go. So let's put this one on first, the white filter. What I'm going to do, I'm going to try to, when I have it set on, because right now we're filming with normal daylight, okay? So what I'm going to try and do is, once I get this on, sorry guys, so each of them come with like four parts, 1, 2, 3, 4, so I think the orange one too should be 4, to be able to fit in on the whole ring light. So like I was saying, once I have it set up, I'm going to close the curtains, try as much as possible to get the place dark, and then we'll use the ring light and see how it goes. So much. So we have it in now. So it's quite different. Now the bulbs are covered. I feel much better compared to the way it was initially. And I feel tighten up the knob so we don't have any wobbling and falling over here. Alright, so let's see how it goes. It's got two knobs. The ring light has got two knobs, one on the left and one on the right. You need to unscrew both of them to get it because it came this way. That's it's laying horizontally. So you need to unscrew both of them so you can get this part to come down this way. Okay? To come down that way. So you unscrew it. Alright, so we have the soft tube here. So you unscrew it. Just unscrew it enough that it can fit into the tripod. Okay? Let it sit in properly. So I need to unscrew it a little bit more. Yeah, so it's sitting in properly now. Okay, you can see. Then we'll screw it to tighten it up. Okay, that's it. That's it. It's fitted now. Okay, I'm gonna take this down a bit so that you can see it. Okay, not this part. I don't want. Let me take down the tripod itself. Hold on, guys. I'm unscrewing the wrong one. Okay, that's it. So I'm going to take it down so that our ring light can fit in. Okay, so here we have the ring lights. So we're going to fit the knob. We're going to fit this part below on the tripod. Yeah, that's much better. So you fit it in as low as it can go, and then you tighten it up from this knob here. Okay, that's first things first. All right, that's tight enough. You can see it can stay on. Then this, yeah. Then this. Let me just so you guys can see it clearly. Okay, so we have this screwed on, but you can see this part to get it to be, will I say, sorry guys, the top one. To get the ring light itself to stay stiff, you need to tighten up this knob. Okay, so you place it how you want it. Alright, and then you screw the knob up and make it tight. Okay, so this is how steady the ring light is going to be. You need to be careful. It's just got one knob, power on and off, and for dimming the light. So it's all down here. I'm going to put it on. Let's first of all do the connection. Okay. This is the ring light. It's plugged into power. I'm going to now I'm going to shut the curtains and try to make the place a bit darker, and then we'll turn on the light and then we'll see what we have. Okay. So here we go. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, so this is how bright. Is this the brightest? No, it can go further. Yeah, this is the brightest. Really bright, Nice. Okay, what I'm going to do next, I'm going to, let me turn on the lights. Okay, this is not. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to film with the ring light. Like, I'm going to put the ring light behind my filming device, and then we'll see the effect it has. Okay. So I'm about to turn it on, guys. All right, so this is like the dimmest, the lowest. Okay, I'm going to take it up now. Oops, this is bright, manageable. I could look through it into my recording device, no problem. You can see how well lit it has made the whole place, even despite the fact that I tried as much as possible to make the place dark. So this has lit up the room, but this is beautiful. It's well lit in here. And the good thing, the ring light can still go higher. I don't advise that you put your camera on, you know, the shoe adapter that you're supposed to put on top of the ring light here. I don't advise you put it. It's not really sturdy. Okay, you can attach the phone holder and use your phone on it. That's fine. If you have a camera, please use a better tripod to stand your camera. Okay, so that's it about the ring light anyway. Basically, I think I've told you everything about it, all it comes with. Thank you very much for watching. If you're yet to subscribe, please remember to subscribe, like the video, drop your comments. If you have anything, any questions that I didn't cover or I didn't talk about, please write it below. I'll be here to respond to you, okay? But for me, the NEEWER light is good. It's okay. It's I will recommend it. Yes, if you want to get a ring light at a very affordable price, I think the NEEWER light is good to go. Okay? Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye. Let's see. Are we placing it directly here? I hate reading manuals. It's just a lot of instructions with well, I think I have to do it. Okay. Oh, I see. So it's written in different languages, guys.